Hey guys, welcome back. You're looking at my inventory of men's watches. At least what I have left. What's not in my collection that I'm willing to part ways with right now, anyway. I'm doing a shift in my watch side hustle, I'll call it. Um, I am working. I've delisted everything from eBay. I'm going to try to step away from eBay. Some things have happened here recently in my life where I'm not going to use eBay as much, and I'm going to try to find different outlets to sell these watches, at least the remaining ones. I have a bunch of women's watches too. I'll show those in another video maybe. But I was considering Etsy, and maybe upping the luxury of the watches, so to speak, putting them in better boxes, better packaging, all of that. Because I pretty much just sell them like this, ship them in padded envelopes or 4x4 boxes, and that's about all I do. So I was thinking about maybe targeting a little different audience with this. I don't know. I would love to hear your guys' opinions. What outlets would you sell these on? I've tried Etsy. I've not tried Etsy yet. That's what I want to try next. I've done eBay. They've done okay, but everybody these days really wants something on eBay for like next to nothing. It's kind of shifted from going more expensive, like kind of cheap yard sale type, to more expensive to now. I think it's kind of going back to that cheap yard sale type again. So let me know your thoughts. I'm thinking Etsy might be a good way. Looking for any feedback you guys have. Just a quick one this week. Everything on the watch side hustle has been suspended for a while. Looking to get back in the game and not really sure how I'm going to do that yet. Anyway, guys, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. Leave some feedback below. Let's have a conversation, and we'll talk to you soon.